Hello student, this is digital class. This video is for class 6, chapter 2, part 3. After vitamin, the next topic is mineral. Next component of food is mineral. Minerals are required by the body for its proper functioning and normal growth and good health. I repeat, minerals are required by the body for its proper functioning, normal growth and good health. It is needed to build bones, teeth, functioning of blood, coagulation of blood and functioning of muscle. It is required in small quantity. Some of the important minerals required our body are calcium, phosphorus, iron, iodine, sodium and potassium. These minerals required in the form of mineral salt and not as element. Means these minerals are required in mineral salt, not as element. It is actually means mineral salt. Now first is calcium and phosphorus. We know that the framework of our body, our bones and teeth required calcium, which also help in proper functioning of heart and muscles. It means our body required calcium for making bones and teeth, as well as clotting of blood. As we know that children are in growing stage, so they need more calcium to grow fat, and their bone and teeth are made by calcium salt also. I repeat, as we know that children are in growing stage, so they need more calcium to grow fast, and their bones and teeth are made up of calcium salts. So the calcium is very much important for the growing children's. The good source of calcium are milk, cheese, eggs, green leafy vegetables and fish. Wheat and rice contain very less or little amount of calcium. Like calcium, phosphorus is needed for the formation of bones and teeth also. Source of phosphorus in our food are milk, bajra, banana, pulses, green leafy vegetables. Milk is the food in which both calcium and phosphorus mineral are present in good amount. So food is very important for the growing children. Everyone has to drink milk every day for proper growth, good growth. Calcium, its function, helps building bones and teeth, help blood clotting, help muscles and nerves work. Sources are milk, cheese, green leafy vegetable, other dairy products. Deficiency, stunt growth in children, bone loss in adult. Now phosphorus helps building strong bones and teeth, helps regulate many internal body activities. Sources are protein and calcium food source, same. Deficiency, weight loss, retarded growth, general weakness. Now the next topic is iodine. There is a thyroid gland is present in our neck of our body, which controls the growth of our body. Iodine is essential for the proper functioning of thyroid gland. It is making a hormone which control growth by the help of iodine. The various sources of iodine in our food are seafood like fish, fruit, vegetable, and iodized salt. That normal salt available in market, it contain iodine in it. So salt is the good source of iodine. This gland that makes and store hormones that help to regulate the heart rate, blood pressure, body temperature, and the rate of which food is converted into energy. The two most important thyroid hormones are thyroxine and second triiodothyronine. See, this is the location of thyroid gland. Two important thyroid hormones are thyroxine first and second is triiodothyronine. Thyroid hormones affect many organs and general health: brain, eyes, lungs, kidney, ureters, skin, liver, as well as heart. Thyroid hormones affect every cell and all the organs of our body. They regulate the rate at which calories are burned, affecting weight loss or weight gain, can slow down or speed up the heartbeat, can raise or lower body temperature, influence the rate at which food move through digestive tract, control the way muscles contract, control the rate at which dying cells are replaced. The next mineral is iron. Iron is required by the body to make hemoglobin, which is present in red blood cell. Hemoglobin carries oxygen from the lungs to all body parts, cell or tissues. In the red blood cell, iron combines with protein called hemoglobin. I repeat, in the red blood cell, iron combines with protein called hemoglobin. Sources of iron in our food are spinach, apple, egg, liver, cereal like bajra, pulses, groundnuts, etc. The deficiency of iron causes anemia. These are the sources of iron, such as spinach, apple, egg, liver, cereal like bajra, pulses, etc. These are the symptoms of iron deficiency, mainly pale skin, shortness of breath, headaches, dizziness, etc. If a person is suffering from iron deficiency, it will be tired soon, means if they work little and tired more.